for things like this, most people use screen recording software. I'm using a cell phone, so things might not be very good. I apologize for that. But anyway, picture yourself, how do you edit your system path? That's something very important for anybody doing anything moderate to high level, editing the system path. What do? It doesn't just jump out at you, does it? What you actually do is you go to, you right click right here, the Windows icon, you right click that, you click on System, then Advanced System Settings, and Environment Variables. It would take the average user a while to figure out that that's the location, and it's not over yet, because this is local and this is system. So if I log out of this account, somebody else logs in after I have set a path, that won't work for them. It will with the system. To edit, oh crap, I'm changing the com spec, and I had the arrow key. So that's the com spec. But we're not worried about that, we're worried about the path. You'd have to click edit, and you see that, and it looks very confusing. You have to separate it with a colon. It's colon separated, and it's just one of the most irritating tasks that I know of that I do frequently. So there's one quicker way, and that's going to start and type in an ENV, but it only cuts out opening up this menu right here. That's it. So my solution to that was path add. I'll just go ahead and copy a folder to my buffer to show it works. Selection, this is old, has no reason to be in the path, but I'll do it just to show this works. Fun fact, in PowerShell, that's what you type to get your path. And this command I created called path add. When you create path add, the screen clears, and you see some way too much information and some pertinent information, which is your current path, so you don't make a duplicate, which I probably have in here. So I've been messing around. There's no reason Google Drive should be in there, but election is nowhere in there. And so I'll go ahead and hit enter, and a plus sign shouldn't be there. I'll get rid of that, but alright, that worked. But the message says you gotta start a new shell instance, because you do. You always have to when you edit a path. So I just I'm looking through my cell phone, that's why I'm scrolling slow. Pretty sure all this has to be ran as an administrator, because you are altering the path here. What was it called? End path. I'm gonna pause it to type. Alright, sorry about that. One of the things about PowerShell is a lot of random things are different. Like that's what you would use to type to get your path variable, or any variable. You would surround it with those whatever those things are called, percentage marks, and that was against standard for everything, and it does not work in PowerShell, as you can see. But this does. You could echo that too, but whenever you don't have to do it with echo. The point is those, whatever those marks are called, are required, and now it's more of a .NET type of way. That's a new path, and that contains the file that we added, which was Google Drive with election after it, which is right there. So everything worked correctly, so I might as well just exit the shell automatically on the, or at least include the option in the program. Anyway, this is a lot quicker than the other way. You remember how long the other way was. You can watch the video again if you don't. This way is easy. And it tells you if you read it, hit Control-C if you don't have any ideas for the path. And when you hit that, just as that, Control's like normal. I should build a method that would end that in a new line, but I would have to assign a statement for when Control-C was... I don't even know if I could edit Control-C, because that's some serious stuff. Control-C controls a lot of killing of processes.